Yes, I do. Krishna Janmashtami is an annual Hindu festival that celebrates the birth of Krishna, the eighth avatar of Vishnu. It is observed on the eighth day, Ashtami, of the dark fortnight, Krishna Paksha, in the month of Bhadrapada, August-September. The festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm and devotion all over India, especially in Mathura and Vrindavan, the places associated with Krishna's childhood. On the eve of Janmashtami, devotees keep a vigil and fast until midnight, the traditional hour of Krishna's birth. In the morning, they wake up early and bathe in the holy river Ganga or other sacred rivers. They then go to the temple to worship the image of Krishna. The image is bathed in milk and water, dressed in new clothes, and offered prayers and offerings. Other popular rituals on Janmashtami include breaking the dahi handi. This is a traditional game in which men form human pyramids to reach and break a pot of curds hung high up. The game is said to commemorate Krishna's childhood exploits of stealing butter from his mother. Rasa Leela. This is a dance drama that depicts Krishna's playful childhood with the cowherd girls of Vrindavan. Singing and dancing. Devotional songs and dances are performed in temples and homes to celebrate Krishna's birth. Krishna Janmashtami is a time for Hindus to rejoice in the birth of their beloved deity. It is also a time to reflect on his teachings and to renew their faith in him.